What we've been learning about is the scope of this project from the Montgomeryshire Canal, new bridges, dredging work, towpath work, work on the viaduct over the Vyrnwy River, all aspects of a larger plan to bring back the usage of the canal in different ways. Paddleboarding, canoeing, walking, cycling, and eventually boats returning to this area. All of these to add to the tourism economy and just the general well-being of people, having a green and a blue corridor through this area, which is proven good for well-being. Yes, I mean, rebuilding bridges is strange, except that at the moment they aren't bridges, they're barriers. So two new bridges, one of them a lift bridge, which will become a great feature, I'm sure, and the other a bridge that allows access to the local school in a far better way. Both of those funded through this project, and the funding is UK government funding. And the environmental benefit is key. None of this work can be done without enhancing the ecology of the area. They've been designated as specially selected areas. We must protect that, and all the work that the Canal and River Trust are doing on this project is doing that, enhancing that. That's what they've got to do.